When my family started Contractors Wardrobe back in 1972, it's been our mission to set the standard in the products we manufacture. We have multiple locations throughout the United States, including our headquarters here in Valencia, California, as well as our Sacramento plant, which is home to the longest and fastest silvering line in North America. From closet doors to shower enclosures, as well as our new CW Select program, and even our custom glass, each product is created and designed with you in mind, providing a sense of quality, durability, and style that is unmatched in our industry. If you are a new or returning customer, we don't take it lightly that you made the decision to include us in the fabric of your home. We sincerely thank you for your business.